Okay, today as a treat I'm going to provide you with my recipe for how to make nice fluffy Yorkshire puddings. Here in Yorkshire we love our Yorkshire puddings, and I'm going to give you my recipe that works near enough every time. The mixture pops up like popcorn and you get some nice big fluffy Yorkshire puddings. So we start off with 140 grams of plain flour. We crack into that 4 eggs, then I like to take a fork and just mix the eggs into the flour until we have a nice creamy consistency. And when you watch, it looks like it's all curdling up, but it's only the eggs separating with the flour. That's not too bad. What I like to do after using the fork is just take a whisk. I don't like to use the whisk first. I like to use the whisk just after. And just give it a final mix with the whisk. Nice and smooth. Next I'm going to take some full fat milk. We want 200 mils of this, so I will just measure that out into a jug, and we're just going to add a little bit in to the mixture, mix that in. Just keep adding it until it's all gone. So a little bit more. We just try to make it so that there's no lumps left. It doesn't matter if you have lumps, but it's a better mixture if there is no lumps. Put the final bit of milk in. Give that final whisk. And we've got a nice smooth battery mixture that we're just going to let sit on the side at room temperature for about 30 minutes. I tend to have to cover mine up because of the cats, so I'll put a tea towel over it. So, tea towel, just place that over the top and then let it sit on the side for about 30 minutes at room temperature. We'll tidy up and prepare the muffin tray and get ready for the oven going on shortly. So my next step is to put a small bit of oil in the bottom of each of the reservoirs in the muffin tin. And then we set the oven to the hottest that it can go, and we place the tin into the bottom of the oven until it's absolutely red hot and there's smoke coming off the tin, verging on, burning. So we'll let that get to the desired temperature. The light will go out on the cooker, then we have to quickly whip it out, pour the mixture in, and then get it back in so as not to lose too much heat.